Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a flashlight for your Unity project. As you can see here, I just made an empty scene here, and I added a little plane and the default first person controller and a light just so it's not completely dark. Okay, so to get started, let's make the actual light you're going to use as your flashlight. Just make a normal spotlight and then turn it to face forward and parent this to the main camera, and then just zero out the transforms. And obviously a light doesn't shine right out of your face, so just put it like that as a normal flashlight would be. You might want to make it a bit wider and more intense. Alright, so from here, the scripting part, you want to make a script like this. Just make a boolean and then a game object variable that refers to the actual light. Okay, and then this is completely optional, but you can make two sounds, two audio clips, one for when you actually put the thing on and one for when it goes off. Okay, so run a function update and make an if statement. If input get key down key code F, so if you press F, then on is equal to the opposite of on. So if on is true, on will be false, and vice versa. Right, so if on is true, then it will play the audio, the on sound, and it'll only play it once, so it doesn't loop. And then if it's off, then it'll play the off sound. And then here, all we have going on here is if on is true, then it'll set the light to be active, and if it's false, then it'll set the light to not be active. This is the same as actually just doing this. Okay, so I've already made the script here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the main camera, just like that. And just before we do anything else, you want to add a component, an audio source, otherwise the audio won't play. And just make sure that play on awake that's unticked, otherwise it'll play a sound when the game starts, or it'll give you an error. Okay, so on there, just select the spotlight that you made, and then if you have an on sound, then do that, and if you have an off sound, just do that. Or you could just disable it by making it into comments like that, and perhaps just doing that for the rest of that. Okay, how I actually made the sounds is I just used Audacity, and I had a flashlight, and I recorded when it goes on, when it goes off. It's quite simple. Then you just select the sounds and you export the selection and then import it into Unity. It's quite simple, really. Okay, so let's give this a test. There you go, it works. And that's all you need to make a flashlight in your Unity project. Thanks for watching. The script is in the description. Have a great day.